Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today we are diving into a quick and easy guide on how to transfer Tron or TRX from your OKX exchange to your Telegram wallet. If you are looking to manage your crypto more conveniently, this tutorial is for you. First, open your Telegram wallet. Start by launching the Telegram app and accessing your Tron wallet. If you have not set it up yet, make sure to follow the instruction to create your wallet. Get your Tron wallet address. If your Tron wallet, tap on the wallet button. In your Tron wallet, tap on the wallet button. Select the more assets and choose Tron. Tap on the add crypto icon and select external wallet. Choose Tron as the assets and copy the wallet address provided. Open the OKX app and go to the Assets section. Tap on the Withdraw and select Tron from your available cryptocurrency. Initiate the withdrawal. Paste the Tron wallet address you copied from the Telegram into the designated field. Ensure you select the correct network. It should automatically shown as Tron. Enter the amount of Tron you wish to transfer. Remember, this is a small gas fee of 0.01 tracks. Confirm your transaction. Review all details carefully and then tap confirm and submit your withdrawal request. You will receive notification via email in app once your transaction is successful. After a short wait, check your Tron wallet in Telegram to confirm that the Tron has arrived. And there you have it. You have successfully transferred Tron from OKX to your Telegram wallet. This simple process allows you to manage your crypto assets seamlessly within one of the most popular messaging apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Happy trading!